Let's learn how do we divide 330 by 3 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 3. We know that 3 times 1 is equal to 3. Subtract, we get 0. Now this 0 is less than 3. That is why we will bring down this adjacent 3 here. Look that this is the number 3. So we will remove this 0. And we know that 3 times 1 is 3. Subtract, we get 0. Since this 0 is less than 3, so we will bring down this adjacent 0 here. But look that this is the number 0. So we will remove 1 0, and we know that 3 times 0 is equal to 0. Subtract, we get a 0. As we get the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 330 divided by 3 is equal to this number 110. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe our channel.